I dare you to roll down.
No way.
Ma, look at her.
Whoa! Whoa! I thought I was going overboard.
You can see your body pulling, trying to pull backwards. What are you doing down there? She's licking it. What a friggin' idiot this dog is. Licking the sand.
She's thirsty.
She's chewing it. Don't do that. You're constipated as it is.
Good exercise. Quincy! Quincy!
Good girl, digging.
Yeah, good boy. Run down. Do like Mommy did.
Oh.
Run! Get the ball.
He's gotta go overboard, dude.
Come on, run! Get your shoe, please. Get your shoe. Go get your shoe.
Good girl. Mom. Peed. And then buried it.
And laid on it.
And laid on it. No.
See that? She peed, buried it, and laid on it.
Apparently that's her thing.
Coffee.
Pretty. Are you cool?